At HFX Training, we curate, design and deliver customized simulation-based training solutions to schools, universities and businesses around the world. Our portfolio of games is designed to help learners develop the hands-on skills and understanding they need to succeed and can drive learning outcomes for almost any management discipline. Our games come with a complete curriculum of supporting digital courseware, including scenario manuals, instructional videos, supporting assignments and compliance quizzes. And with modern cloud-based interfaces, they are ideal for online learning environments. And with our tiered support solutions, we make implementation easy, whether through instructor training for simulation old hands or through our white glove premium service for instructors new to simulations. We have the right package for you. We can even run courses ourselves, either online or in workshops. To find out more about how we can help you, contact us at info@hfxtraining.com today.